Hello everyone, welcome to another affiliate marketing tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to join eBay as an affiliate and how to start promoting eBay, on your website or whatever you want to do. So, first of all, what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see affiliates right here. Now, additionally, what you can also do is you can visit eBay affiliate on Google, and here you actually have eBay partner network. So you can click on this. Or additionally, you can click on affiliates here and you will land on the same page, which is welcome to the eBay partner network. They call this a partner network. This is basically their way of saying that they are an affiliate network. Basically, as you can see, you can work with global commerce leader, which is eBay. You can leverage deals and promotions. You can track, analyze, and optimize and get rewarded for basically promoting the products on eBay. So for each product, you will get obviously a cut. Their program is extensive. They have a lot, like that they are doing for their affiliates. As you can see, you can integrate your mobile, you can integrate your web. I think the cookie is around 30 days or so. But basically, you can go here and you can sign up, click sign up. And what you want to do is you want to sign up with your eBay account. As you can see, you can sign in with eBay. So if you already have an eBay account, you can sign up with your eBay account. However, if you don't have, you'll need to click sign in with eBay, and then you'll need to create an account on eBay first before you can actually join their affiliate marketing program. Now that's how easy it is to join eBay marketing or partner network program. Now if you want to see more videos on affiliate marketing, definitely check out our channel and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.